Watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to solve an exponential equation which we have seen in the thumbnail of this video. The equation is like this. Four raised to power x raised to power 2 over 256 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 256. So we are going to solve this equation. What we are going to do in the first step, we are going to write 256 as 4 raised to power 4 and then whole raised to power x is equal to 1 over, same thing we will do on the other side. 256 we will write as 4 raised to power 4 4 raised to power 4 and then whole power x can be written as 4 raised to power 4x is equal to 1 over 4 raised to power 4. Now we can take the denominator 4 raised to power 4x up and it will become like 4 raised to power minus 4x, and same thing we are going to do on the other side. So its power will also become minus, so it will become 4 raised to power minus 4. These two we can combine. 4 raised to power x squared minus 4x is equal to 4 raised to power minus 4. Now since bases are equal, so power should also be equal, so we can write x square minus 4x is equal to minus 4. We will bring all the terms on one side of the equation, so the equation will become x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic formula and we can solve it with the help of the this is a quadratic equation and we can solve it with the help of the quadratic formula. So general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Since there is no coefficient of x square, which means it is 1. So now we will compare both these equations, and upon comparison we see a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1, b is minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Our quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a minus into minus 4 plus minus 4 squared minus 4 into 1 into 4 over 2 multiplied by 1, minus into minus 4, it is 4, plus minus 16 minus 16 over 2. So 4 plus minus square root of 0 over 2. So 4 over 2, x is equal to 4 over 2, which means x is equal to 2. So our solution set in this case is 2. Let's verify this just to be on the safe side, just to be sure. Our left hand side is 4x raised to power 2 over 256 is equal to 4. X is 2 raised to power 2 over 256 is equal to 4 raised to power 2 is 16. Over 256. Sorry, here we also have an x, so 2 will be here, 2, and this is raised to power 2. 16 raised to power 2 is 256, and below we have 256 raised to power 2, which means it is 256 into 256. So 1 will get cancelled with each other, so we are left with 1 over 256, which is equal to right hand side. So that's all for now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until next time, please take care of yourself and bye bye.